Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Nitron. So today I'm back with another video. This video is only about an airdrop, and this video I'm going to show you a project which is really promising, and they are also having the pre-sale and airdrop going on live. And also, let me tell you, in this video I'll be telling you each and every steps very clearly. If you have any kind of doubt related to this airdrop, everything will be solved in this video. So watch the video till the end, because every information and every important information, how you can claim it, where is it listing, what is the listing price, and when it is listing, and how you can claim the airdrop or how you can buy the pre-sale. So preferably we are doing airdrop, so I'll be showing you an airdrop project, because this is an airdrop YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you watch other video also, because we do only airdrop projects, because this channel is only dedicated to airdrops. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you, and I'm going to say you each and every single thing about this project very clearly. And also, this project is going to be 100x. So claim this airdrop. I'll be showing each and every process, and after you claim this, just wait till it gets launched on similar website, and then you can sell it for USDT or BNB very easily. So guys, watch the video till the end without skipping any single part of this video. So now, without wasting the further time, let's get started with the video. So guys, before getting started with the video, I hope all of you have subscribed to my channel. If you have not, just hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, so you'll be notified in the future videos. So guys, as usual, before going into the project, let us know about the market condition. It is an important part in our life to know about the market condition, being in the cryptocurrency world. So if I open the Bitcoin chart, and we can see the Bitcoin is currently above its resistance. It had broken the resistance of $42,500. So it's currently supported at 41,000, but it's nowhere near to that. But the next resistance is $44,500. So if it breaks, we are confirmed that we will be having the bullish trend, very guaranteed and confirmed. As for now, the Bitcoin is still trading about $42,500, which is a good signal for all of us. And whereas if we talk about the altcoins such as Ethereum, so if I open the Ethereum chart, we can see the huge pump in Ethereum from the last night, and currently Ethereum is at $3,231, and the resistance which the Ethereum needs to break is $3,500 in order to make it is a bullish trend. So we can expect the bullish trend within this week. So whereas the coin known as FTM and one which is also known as Harmony, this coin are going to be a huge profitable for all of us in the future, because these coins are solely dependent on Web3 network. We all know what is Web3 network. I hope you need to study more about Web3 network. If you want a video about Web3 network, I can make the video about it also. So watch the video till the end, guys. And that was the market update for today's video. So now let's jump into the next part of this video, and that is the airdrop project. So guys, for that you need to have the trust wallet. So if you can see, this is my trust wallet. This is the dashboard of my trust wallet. So once you come over here, then you need to go to the apps, which is in the bottom of the screen. There's a one option known as the apps. Once you tap over there, there will be a box to paste the address or write the address. So I'll be giving the link in the description of this video, so make sure you copy that link and come over here and paste it over here. So once you paste it, just search for that website. So if I search for that website, the website will get loaded. Until then, I have to change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain, and once I do that, the website will reload. And now you can see the project has been loaded, and its name is known as Linked Token. So what is it exactly? It is a decentralized linked token celebrating the community and networks. So they have the pre-sale going on. the 50 days and 12 hours are remaining. So approximately this coin is going to list on March 3rd of 2022, and let me tell you, they have an airdrop which I have mentioned, which will be getting 700 million tokens very instantly to your wallet. I'll be telling you about that also. And before that, let me tell you about their roadmap. They have a very good roadmap also. As I mentioned, in March they'll be listing on PancakeSwap. After that, you can just sell the airdrop tokens which you have claimed, and also they have the staking process and all, everything coming up in the future, and the tokenomics, you can go through each and every single thing. So now let us know about how you can claim this airdrop very instantly. So just tap on claim airdrop, and then it will redirect to you bottom of the page, and now you need to tap on claim 700 million link, and then you need to connect the D apps, and once you connect it, the smart contract call will appear in front of you. The fee is very less compared to other airdrops, that is $1.6. Don't worry, I'll show you how you can revive or recover this $1.6 and make it as 30x. Just in this video, I'll show you a huge trick which no one is aware of. This is a simple trick, and this is the offer they're giving to earn $50 to $60 minimum. This is not maximum, this is a minimum. So I'll tell you about that also. So for now, you need to approve the transaction. So once you approve the transaction, the claim has been done successfully. The 700 million link token has been sent to you successfully. So now how you can know that you have got their tokens, and how you can know that they have give you a token. So for that, all you need to do is close this website and then come to the main dashboard of the Trust wallet, and then there is a 3 buttons at the right top of your screen. So tap on it and then scroll all the way till the down until you can see the token named as add custom token. So once you tap on add custom token, change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. So once you do that, that process has been done, and now you need to paste the contract address. So where can you get this contract address? It is very simple. I'll be giving the contract address in the video description itself. So make sure you copy. I know most of you cannot copy, so for that I'll also be giving the link or the contract address in my Telegram channel also. So some of you might be watching after 3 days, but they cannot find contract address in Telegram channel. The best way to copy from description is copy this video link and open in Chrome browser, and then you can copy from Chrome browser through the video description. So once you have copied, just paste the contract address over here. So now I'll be pasting my contract address over here, and as you can see, the linked token has appeared, and if I tap on done, you can see the 700 million link token has been directly come into my wallet very instantly. So now the airdrop claiming part has been done successfully. There are 2 options for you right now. Either you will wait for March 3rd and sell it, or you have to watch the video till the end if you want to earn $50 to $60 just in 1 day, or maybe in 1 hour, if you follow my steps very carefully. So now all you have to do is tap on receive, and then copy that address and come back and go to the D apps and go back to the same website where you have claimed the airdrop. So once you come back to that same website, there is an option known as get referral link, and then there is a box below. You need to just paste the address which you have copied just a minute ago, and now just paste it over there and tap on get link. The link will be generated, and now you need to tap on copy referral link. So what is this link about? This is the link which you can invite your friends to claim this airdrop. And what happens once you invite your friends, and once your friend claims this airdrop through your referral, what happens is that you will get 40% BNB, which is almost $1, and also 60% of all claims and buy. So you'll be getting $1 in the shape of BNB directly into your wallet, and also you'll be getting 60% of all claims, that is almost around 400 million tokens. So this is a huge bonus for all of you from this project, for all of you to earn more and more. So now how you might be asking, how is that $1 $60? It's just that refer more, send this link to the huge airdrop pages, send this link to the huge Discord channels, Telegram channels, WhatsApp groups which has an airdrop discussion. People are waiting for airdrops every day, and whole day they are waiting how many more airdrops they can avail and claim, because they are airdrop hunters, which you can say. They are only waiting for airdrops. So just go to them and send them this link, and they will be claiming this airdrop for sure. And that is the huge trick which I have showed you. So make a full 100% use of this trick and earn as much as possible. If not $50 to $60, you can even make $100 to $150 very easily. So guys, that was for today's video, and how you can claim this airdrop and how you can earn more and more. So wait for March 3rd of 2022. We have just maybe 1 or 1.5 months left for it. So just wait for this date to get launched, or just note down the date so that you can go to PancakeSwap, and then you can sell it for the US dollars or maybe BNB or whichever coin you want. So guys, that's for today's video. That's all for today's video. We will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.